Hi, welcome to day 5 slow English shadowing practice. Today we will just listen and repeat, and finally we'll speak English confidently. This lesson is designed for you. I know you are struggling to speak English. So today we have a very day-to-day life topic we can practice very easily. So let's begin. And today's topic is how I spent my evening time. This is a simple topic for daily life. So listen carefully and repeat after me. Relax your mind, speak slowly and clearly. So let's begin. Every day I come home in the evening. Repeat. I finish my work in the afternoon. I finish my work in the afternoon. Repeat. Usually, I reach home around 6 o'clock. Repeat. When I arrive, I feel a little tired. Repeat. First, I wash my hands and freshen up. Repeat. After that, I take some rest for a short time. Repeat. After resting, I usually read a book. Repeat. Sometimes I watch a short video. Repeat. Sometimes I listen to music. Repeat. I enjoy these activities. Repeat. Sometimes I go for a walk. Repeat. Walking makes me feel happy and relaxed. Repeat. After walking, I have dinner. Repeat. I eat my dinner with my family. Repeat. We talk about our day. Repeat. We enjoy our meal together. Repeat. After dinner, I spend time on my hobbies. Repeat. I like drawing, listening to music, or listening English songs. Repeat. Sometimes I help my family with small tasks. Repeat. I try to do something usually every evening. Repeat. Before going to bed, I prepare for my next day. Repeat. I check my bag and clothes. Repeat. I make a small plan for tomorrow. Repeat. This helps me feel organized. Repeat. Finally, I go to the bed around 10 o'clock. Repeat. I feel calm and ready to sleep. Repeat. This is how I spend my evening. Repeat. It's very simple but very important. This is my daily evening routine. I do this every day. Thank you for listening carefully. Practice again and again. Speak slowly, speak confidently. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.